Assalamualaikum everyone. We are students from Information Management Faculty in UiTM Rembau. So for this video, we are going to present to you our final project for the subject IMD222, which is Technical Services Support and Maintenance for Information Agencies. So our group consists of Azmida, Nurfazlin Idayu, Nurin, Nabilah, Sharifah, Aishah and Wahida Amalin, which is me. So let's get into the details of the assignment.
So for this final assignment, we are required to show step by step on how to install operating system using a virtual machine, which is we call as a computer system.
For this assignment, we choose Ubuntu as an operating system under Linux. For your information, Ubuntu is widely known as a flexible, user-friendly, and also vast-ranging OS. Ubuntu Linux is the most popular open source operating system, whereby it is very easy and anyone can set up the system. In addition, it has a high security, stability and free. Thus, we decided to choose Ubuntu for this assignment.
On the other hand, a visual machine is a platform for simulation of any computer system. As we all know, a computer device can have only one operating system. So, for this assignment, we will install an operating system in a visual machine that replicates the function of a computer system.
conclusion, those are the steps and process that we need to do for creating a virtual machine and install it at Windows. We all need to know that we should have enough space and storage to follow all the steps correctly and to make sure that the operating system can be used and functioning it correctly. That's all for our assignment video. I really hope that you enjoy our presentation. Thank you.